How to check other YouTube channel category. If you've come across a video on YouTube and you want to know which category this video or channel belongs to, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. So let's say for instance I stumble on this channel which is Coffee TV and I want to know the category this video belongs to. All I have to do is to navigate and tap on these 3 dots. A drop-up menu will appear. Proceed to tap on share, then make sure to tap on copy. So this will help us to copy this video link. After that, we are going to visit a new channel which is by name ytlarge.com. make sure to enter this in your address bar and this will land you on an interface like this. Continue to tap on YouTube monetization checker, then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. After that, navigate to this bar and make sure you right click and then tap on paste. Then with this selected, ensure to enter this 3-digit, which is just to confirm whether you are a robot or not. After that, continue to tap on enter. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. This will help us to check the category of this particular YouTube video. This video's breakdown is basically here. So when we scroll down a bit, we can see the category of this video, which is news and politics. If you want to find any other related information of this video, you can find all here. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.